looks like an island, but it's connected to the main to this island. So it looks very nice out there. So we're going there. See? Welcome to Asos. Here. Very nice. init kaayo. As in, nagtawa ng kainit oh. Ay, naglagiting just kainit by. And this time, we're prepared. A little bit prepared. We have water with us. Palandong ta kay matay nita. Maybe we're around 20 minutes walk to the castle. Saan nagwala ning kahoy? O walay kahoy, sus ko, ginoko, walay kapahuwayan. May maning uban kay ambay mang init, sus ginoko kakutawon. Og dili ka maglakaw, di po ka makakita sa ilang mga nice nga talanawon, dili lang kay kumupundo ka sa ka place. Mura na beach, kaon, hotel. It's a hard work to be a tourist. You need to lakaw pa more under the init. Under the heat of the sun. And karon di amis a place called it's like a peninsula, Asos, and we're walking towards the castle. There's a castle there. Yeah. Init kaayo guys. Diyos ko. No, akong bana o naghukas kay magpatandaw siya niya. Ako ani, saon na lang. Sige. Hi. We're soon there at the castle, and at the moment we're having a stop here and with this fantastic view. And if you have a yacht, a boat, you can just anchor up there and have your own cool beach. See, you don't need to go into a crowded beach there, sandbeds and everything. There, you can just, it's perfect. And if you don't have a boat, well, of course, if you're in Asos, you can just go there. Perfect. Very nice beach also. And it's sheltered and a little bit breeze, but very nice view. Oh.
There's the remains of an old house. Come up here.
Yeah.
Not that way. Take a rock with your back.
No. I don't need to steal anything.
Watchtower.
This is the watchtower, guys. See here? This is the only ruins of the castle. Oh.
What's up here? Highest point and revolve.
Now I'm going into the highest point. Highest point. There. Oh, I need to be careful. Just see here? Oh, very nice here. Ah, there's a cannon. There's a cannon. Oh, cannon.
That's here too. Better view.
There.
Right here, the whole cannon. Now watch your step.
There.
So it's 500 years old, that cannon there.
Yeah, that's around 500 years old. Very old. Hi. So we just came from the castle, and that castle was built in 1595. It was built by the Venetian to... Hi. It was built by the Venetian in 1595 to protect Kefalonia from the invaders. That's all what I knew about it. Okay, and yes, it's gonna be an easy descent for us now because it's a nice walking path here, and just ko nawala akong English, oy.